Namaskar friends, our today video related to study in Finland, and this video I will make in English since many of the students are saying ki please make the video especially for admission in Finland in English version. That reason I am going to make this video in English. In today video I will discuss only about the admission process in Finland for bachelor programs. There is a number of ways to get the admission in Finnish universities, which are the main ways I will tell in this video. There is a number of video related to study in Finland on our YouTube channel. Even we have a dedicated playlist study in Finland, and link of that playlist I put in the description box. Please visit there and watch all the videos related to Finland before applying your admission or TRP card through any consultant. And there is a two major intake in Finland. First one is a September. This is also called a August September, and another is a Jan Feb. These are the two major intake, and there are two intake in a Finland. Major intake is August intake and minor intake is a Jan intake. And now student can apply for the major intake, since in major intake all the universities portal are open for applying the admission. Firstly I will tell, there is a no any application fee in any of the Finnish university. Any international student can apply for bachelor admission directly or indirectly through the university portal, and not a single university taking any application fees. If any consultant is taking the fee on the sake of university application fees, then he is making the fraud with you. And today video I will tell ki how the student can get the admissions there in different universities. First way, direct admission. Direct admission means there is some universities, those are giving the direct admissions without the entrance exam as well as the interview. On which basis they are giving the direct admissions? On the basis of your previous grade as well as your English proficiency. English proficiency means your IELTS score, your PT score, your TOEFL. On that basis they are giving the direct admissions. And minimum requirement for getting the admission direct on that universities, you should have more than 60% marks in your 12th, as well as your IELTS score should be not less than 6 band. If you are applying through PT, then the minimum score of PT should be 56. Even student can also take the direct admission without IELTS. Which type of student can take the direct admissions? Those completed their study from the CBSE board with PCM, Physics, Chemistry, Math, and the percentage should be more than 70%. If you have a 70% marks in PCM, especially in mathematics, and without IELTS, you can apply your admission there if your schooling completed from the CBSE board. And the third option in Finland, through joint entrance exam. Some universities are conducted entrance exam, and without IELTS you can apply on that specific university, but you need to clear the university joint entrance exam, which will be conducted twice in a year. If you will clear that exam, thereafter that respective universities is also taking your interview. That is called a group discussions, and we are provided complete material about the joint entrance exam as well as about the group discussions. Everything we are providing to the student, those applying through us. And fourth option, through SAT, SAT. And if you have the SAT score minimum 700, even that some universities will give you direct admission on the basis of your SAT score. So these are the fourth way. Fifth way, through pathway. There is a number of students, those have less percentage like 45, 50, even less IELTS like 5.5, even 6 band. Even that they could not get the admission in Finnish universities in bachelor either through direct, either through joint entrance exam. For that student, some of the Finnish universities framed a 5-month online pathway program, which will be done by the student at their own country online. After completing that 5-month online programs, it is also called a 30 credits. Thereafter you will definitely get a granted admission on the specific program. Either it will be a engineering stream, business stream or healthcare stream. It is again depend what is your taste. These are the 5 ways to get the admission in Finnish universities. Even Finnish universities are also provided early bird discount. It will be from 500 euro to 2000 euro. It is again depend, as well as some of the Finnish government scholarship, and Finnish government scholarship is again depend in which program you are going to apply. And Finnish government scholarship maximum applicable for the master programs. After getting the admission, how to apply the TRP card, how to show the funds, we will provide the proper tips to the students. Even if you have no funds for applying the TRP card of the student, Crown Immigration will assist you how to show the funds for the purpose of TRP card, as well as how to apply the TRP card of the spouse and dependent kids. We will provide comprehensive information to the prospective students when they will come in our office for the purpose of counseling. Even we are again saying, before giving your case to any consultant, must watch the number of videos on our channel, even on our playlist Study in Finland. After that you will take the decision through whom consultant you will apply your Finland student visa. In the coming videos we will discuss about the master admissions as well as the PhD admissions. Even after getting the admissions, but the precautions should be taken for applying the residency permit. On our channel there is a number of videos related to different countries, since Crown Immigration is sending the international student more than 100 countries. In the last, if you are think this video is very lucrative, then please like and share it. Thank you.